Bandage wraps. Ensure your injuries or scrapes are well taken care of with this set of adhesive bandages. Perfect for storing in first aid kits in classrooms, workplaces, nurses' offices, or at home. Multi-purpose. Use to the first aid wrap to treat your ankle, wrist, finger, toe, elbow and knee. Also ideal for pets such as dogs and cats or veterinarian offices. Strong adhesive. The cohesive bandage easily adheres to itself and will not stick onto your skin or hair, easy to pull off. Has excellent support and does not require clips or pins to stay in place. Dimensions. Each roll of stretch bandage wrap tape measures 4 inches wide and 5 yards long. Comes with. You will receive 6 rolls of tan cohesive wrap tape for personal or professional use. Top reviews from the United States. Economical alternative to the drugstore offerings. This product is a thinner and twice as long for 1/10 the price of the local drugstore offering. The thinner profile is easier to get a comfortable wrap that still supports well. Adhesion was excellent and I was able to use it for 5 days or more if kept clean. Great bargain.